Record? Maybe. Are we recording? Hi comrades. Oh, I only got half my head. Welcome back to my channel. Comrades was a very bad joke, I'm sorry. So we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna do an unboxing, impromptu unboxing video. My daughter got me a tripod, so I kinda can set up my camera anywhere I want, I think. So this is my Beauteque box. This is the second subscription box I've gotten. Okay, so the camera is really far away, but that's okay because I think it pulls in real close. I don't know, so I got it. Don't be looking at my name and address. Don't be being nosy with my business, okay? Did I really cut off the top of my head? I did. I cut off the top of my head. What the heck? It's getting used to a tripod is kind of a rough, difficult thing. It shouldn't be that hard, right? No, that's my ceiling. Hold on. Wait a minute. I guess we get the dog in the viewfinder, right? There's Bella. Hi, Bella. Oh my God, this is terrible. Okay, maybe now? Maybe now? My head's still cut off. Yeah, head's still kind of cut off. I usually try to allow for me being short. But maybe I can... Let me see something. Bella, scooch, 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 scooch. Okay, kind of head not cut off. I don't know. You need a drink from your Hello Kitty cup? You need a drink of water? No? Okay. Alright, my head is not cut off anymore. Okay, we're still recording. Alright, so let's get this done. Bella, watch out. Okay, so Beauteque box. Here we go. Rise and Shine Beauty Box, July 2020. Wait a minute, this is August. Oh, don't tell me they send me the same stuff again. Oh, that would be really tragic. This month is all about your morning routine. We want to provide, I don't have a morning routine. Provide all the beauty essentials for you to get ready in the AM. Body care for your 8 a.m. shower. What are they peeping in my windows thinking I get up at 8 in the morning? Okay, let's see. What do we have first? Chamomile. Everybody who watches me know I'm blonde as a bat. Not blonde, blind. Okay. Essential oil. I'm sure most of you are aware of this, but there's no such thing as like pharmaceutical grade essential oils. It's just words that mean nothing. I don't put oil on my skin, so I'm supposed to wake up and this is, oh, these are blotting papers. Oh, I'll get on board with blotting papers. Yeah, that's cool. That's to suck up the oil. Yeah, you think, okay. Oh, okay. This is from K-Beauty brand Moly. I've seen good reviews. Goat milk moist up foam cleansing. I am a fan of the Beekman Brothers goat moisturizer because it makes sense and it works. It's made with goat milk, not oil. When you put oil on water, what happens? The water escapes, right? No, the water doesn't escape. It floats on top. If you want to moisturize, you want it to sink in all those layers of your skin. So, and is there anything in English? Okay. How to use. Spoon a generous amount of on hand, then mix it with ambient water. What is ambient water? What is ambient water? And it literally has a 6-month shelf life. I don't know if I like that. For those of you who don't know how to tell. Ready? Aunt Lynn's gonna teach you a little trick. Are you ready for it? Okay, on the back of every single beauty stuff. Well, I don't know if it's every single, but do you see that? It looks like a compact. Do you see it? Can you see it? Voila, it looks like a compact, right? Do you see that 6M? That means that 6 months from opening this product, it is garbage. It is expired. It is only good for, well, that's the suggested, everybody has suggested ideas. So I don't know, the beauty standards in Korea are so high. I think that they label these for American use. It's like there's nothing with the blotting papers. May the joy and happiness fill every minute of your day. Hush. Okay. And this is, Air Cotton Makeup Base. SPF 30 PA Lavender. Does that mean I gotta put I want to put purple crap on my face? What? No, that can't be what that means. Why would I want to, who has a, oh, well, it's sealed. Why would anybody put purple on their face? I don't understand. SPF 30 PA. What does the PA stand for? Base O2 Lavender. Who has purple skin? I know yellow skin, undertone, warmth, just kind of orangey, brown, and cool is blue. So is this like between a blue? This says Face Shop. And it is, might be good for 36 months after you open it. That's possible. It's also possible I really can't see. I'm blind. All right. What is, so good morning. Well, good morning to you too. So here from Moly again, the same makers of the 6-month-old that only lasts 6 months. Let's take it out of the box. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, super kawaii. Look at that. It's a goat. It's a goat in a bathtub. It's a goat in a bathtub with lotion all over, with suds and suds and suds. Oh my God, that's so super cute. I can't. Moist Up Phone Cleansing. You know, if they knew anything, lots of people in I had a problem saying that word, and then I found a word that's even more offensive. It's a good thing that being offensive never killed anybody though, right? Am I right? Can I get an amen? Okay, so I think I'm correct. There is no, see, look, there is no compact box on this. Oh no, I'm wrong. 6 months. Gosh, they just, so this is Honey Radiant Glow Cream. Natural 20,000 ppm, suitable. Okay, this looks like it's something you eat. Am I wrong? Am I wrong for thinking this? Does this not look like it's meant to go on food? It's like, that's the honey and oats Cheerio bee. Am I right? Or I think I'm right. On a spoon, it looks like something you would put in your, jeez. This is not, you know, if you have kids in your house, get rid of the packaging. And rip off the label because it's on the label too. So if you have little kids, they're gonna think this is something you can put in your mouth because it's on a spoon. Oh my God. Ew. Well, it smells like Manuka honey. It smells like honey. What are you supposed to do? I don't know that I would want honey on my face. I don't know. Okay, Waterberry facial mist. Okay, so I am like, I love the facial mist things. Like, I'll show you my jam, and nothing compares to this so far. I'm leaving the camera zone for a moment. Show you the best thing ever. Da-da-da-da. Coming back in frame. Watermelon Glow. The stuff, oh my God, this stuff is the bomb. I mean, yeah, okay, so I have makeup on, and yeah, she put eyebrows on, but I mean, this stuff, even with, I've got the bronzer on, and it lasts so long because the mist is so fine. It is so worth the money, people. I mean, it really is. It's a fine mist, and it's just, when you don't have time to moisturize real quick, it's the bomb. Bomb, trust me. So this is Winterberry Facial Mist, Moisture Mist with Feeling Fresh. All skin types. Is this Preti? No. C&T Tech. Made in Korea. Oh, and it has a little spot for you to write the date you opened it. I'm sure this is going to be blurry. The date you opened it. On to one more thing. Ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this? JM Solution. I muted you, honey. I muted you. Hey, Portal, volume up. Hey, Portal, volume up. Okay, now you can say hi to the YouTube audience.
Hello, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. And so I guess I'll read these things. Okay, so this is Water Luminous SOS Ampoule. It's supposed to be Ampoule, but it comes out AMPOULE. Double in mask. Why we heart it. Gives your skin hydration it deserves. Hyaluronic acid is the best ingredient. True. A hydrated face helps keep your skin youthful and bouncy and allows your skin to look smooth. The sheet mask itself is a cupra sheet, which adheres tightly to your skin. I have my own collagen mask maker, but you know, I'm special, I'm gifted. I'll do a video on that sometime. Fold over the bottom and push it up till it pops for synergy effects. Okay. This is a great mask for in the morning, but they only give you one, and the thing is, I don't know if you can see this, but it's like the writing is so worn off of it. You can't see anything on here. Nothing. Okay, so is it giving us, let's do costs. And no free samples this time. Okay. So we have the facial mist. How to use, hold a spray bottle 6 inches. I need a drink, I'm choking. Okay, so it's like my watermelon moisture mist from Glow. And this retails for $10.99. Let's see. Let's see how fine of a spray mist it is. I'm telling you, Trader Joe's actually tried to go head to head with Glow. And their Trader Joe's watermelon night mask is really nice. It's comparable to Laneige. So I like that, and it's cheap enough to use, you know what I mean? But the spray mask, oh, it was bad, it was bad. Okay, so let's shake it up. What kind of mist do we have? Oh! Berry. It smells like nothing. I don't know. No, I won't trade it in for my watermelon. Okay, so that was $9.99. The goat milk foam cleanser is $12. So the Pax Moly goat, that's $12. The honey radiant glow cream. Okay, so this is what this is supposed to be. It's not a cream though. It's like straight up honey. That's $18 a jar. Keep your morning glow all day with this cream, formulated with honey extract to nourish, moisturize, and create even skin all day. This cream also works to unclog pores and treat acne. Well, that's what Manuka honey is supposed to do. You put it on because honey has antibiotic, antimicrobial, and antibiotic properties. So a lot of people use honey just to treat boo-boos like in the jungle, in the wild, on the Little House on the Prairie. You get my drift, right? So use in the morning after washing your face. Apply a sized amount of this cream. It's not cream, okay. Infused with 20,000 ppms of honey extract. I don't know what a ppm is, but I would be hesitant because my hair behaves badly, and if the slightest breeze, like poof, it sticks to my lipstick. When we wear masks, when we were not in, you know, dealing with my corona, okay. So the Air Makeup Base Lavender is an $8 product. This lavender color, it's a primer, color correcting primer, ensures. Why would you assume that? I've never seen a purple primer. I use Pure's 4-in-1, and it does blurring, and that's what I have on today is the Pure. If you look, Raw Beauty Christie just did a collab with Pure on her eyeshadow. So Pure, the same company. I use their 4-in-1 primer. Love it. Highly recommend it. I don't think I like using SPFs on my face because it kind of makes it, I have old face, I have old skin, old face. And $6 for the blotting paper. I don't know. Okay, so that's about it. Now, they also, I'll get another 15% off for your first month if you want to try Mask Maven. They send you wonderful K-Beauty masks, because facial masks like this one that's used once and dispose of, and unless you have collagen mask makers, you know, that you can use fruits and vegetables in, and I add retin A and I use vitamin C serum and I put hyaluronic acid in mine. I mean, I'm a chemist, so got to keep the skin looking young and fresh, right? I mean, it's kind of working, right? I have no foundation on. I just put some primer on, and I've been using self tanner and Jeffree Star lips. I drew on some eyebrows. I'm gonna do some magnetic lashes later with Tristan so you can see. But yeah, I mean, the skin's looking, it's good. It doesn't, you know, it's good. It's good. Okay, so if you want to check out Mask Maven, you'll get 9 masks delivered every month. And for 15% off your, this is only your first box. So it's, you figure out how many months you want to subscribe to. And that first box, subtract 15% from that. And that's what the cost is. Okay, so use code BM15. That's BM like Mary 15, and you will save 15%. So it's like, it's Beauteque monthly, because this is the Beauteque monthly box, the BB box by Beauteque. And it's all full of those shady things. So BB by B. Bleh. I love this pink though. You can't go wrong with this pink, can you? So yeah, this is the July box, even though it's in August. So I only subscribed for a 3-month period just to see what it was about, because I've been getting so many boxes, and I didn't open any on my channel. I think I opened 1 or 2, and I've been, since my husband was in the hospital, I started the Ipsy, the bags. I started with those, and that was 3 years ago, I think, 2017. So yeah, but I didn't put any on my channel or anything. I just did it for kicks and giggles, and, you know, blind boxes. Those are still up there. Anyway, yeah, if you enjoy, like what you see, enjoy, hit the thumbs up for a like, and I appreciate you. If you have any questions, put them down. People do like below, but like I watch YouTube on a TV, and there is no below, there's no above, there's no cards when you watch on a smart TV. Yeah, so there's that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully I will be putting up more videos soon. Just haven't been feeling like it, but thanks for your patience. God bless, and be good to each other, okay?